Just, I'll just share my screen. Okay, so I don't know if Gloria can hear help. Can you still can you hear us? Okay. Okay, so this is the proxy we worked on, yeah, for week one. So I'm the one that puts this particular URL. So I just want to show an edge case, like one of the things we have to solve to make this work. Okay. So if I open the HTML site, so you can see the website refused to connect. So this is a very common thing for websites that actually enforce the security headers. You will see it in the console log.
Yes, I actually went to my own system when I
Yeah. I'm the one that put it. Yeah. Like that one, that particular one you use is like a basic website, simple JavaScript, HTML, and there was no security headers. This one, this one is also a basic JavaScript HTML, but they have headers, so you can see the X-frame options to same origin. So they set the headers that no other except it's from the origin. It's not possible for you to pass it. So this is the what we're trying to work around. That's the entire point of the proxy. Avoid this kind of thing. And you see the second thing we also need to solution we need to find. So when I return it back to the render, making use of your server now. It was not making use of your server before, but now I want to make use of your server. Okay, I don't need to restart it. So you can see now it's showing. Majority of the website is showing. So this is the.
You just display through the HTML distance.
Yeah. And now see the core thing here. You can. Are you seeing this? That this console log. So these are like let's just say media files for this website. Like okay, now the logo is missing. Why the logo is missing? Because the render, sorry, our server, our proxy will actually pass that media file with our URL. So it's one of the next tasks you'll be doing. So you will first you need to strip out the security headers.
We need to what?
The first one is to strip out the security headers. Like, okay, I think this one does it, or does it? To strip out the security, I think this also sends back the HTML of the page. It does not necessarily strip out the code. It sends back the HTML, right? That is. Can you still hear me? Okay, yeah. This works. So it does not copy the X-frame options. So that is why it sends back just the HTML. That is why we're able to see the website once we pass it through our proxy. But now there's the issue of this part. This is not very heavy. This is not like, I don't think this is a React website or a Next.js website. Those ones are very heavy. But what we want to fix first is this. So is our render I don't know why I keep on calling it render. Our proxy should not be like the static file should not be passed through our proxy. It should not be tied to our URL. So it's more detailed in the next task, so you can read over it. But if you don't understand anything, just reach out to me. I'll also help out. So I can see it's looking more backend related.
Just the way you did it, creating the repo and then just add it.
Yeah, I will. And this new task, we're actually going to be pushing to the GitHub. So we'll start making commits. But there's a development branch, dev branch. So that's any PR will be to dev, not to the main. So that's what we'll be doing. So I think that's what I really wanted to address for. But I hope you guys get the idea of what we are trying to build at least. Something like that. So just imagine the front end has that panel screen where user can see a live website and all of that. So that's just
So
the idea.
this local tech platform is going to be like our own website.
This particular place.
This is going to be our own website now.
Okay,
Like
this.
from
Yeah. The front end, our front end. So the way to view this, and the best part is this entire view should be like, you know how
the
Figma is
header.
panable, yeah. And this particular frame now can be, we can set the size just like if I do this, the way we can do something like this, and we can make it responsive. Yes. So that is just the idea. So yeah. We will still need to like determine how when we can be meeting that can work for everybody every week. That's been the weekends. I don't think we're all too busy for the weekdays, so weekends a time that works best for us. But we'll conclude that I'll draft up some timelines. I mean, sometimes we can work with. You guys can pick from it. We'll vote on that. So does anybody have anything to say, or we can also conclude? Yeah, and Gloria, if you have any questions or anything to say.
No, for now, it's not.
How about you here?
No, I don't have anything to say for now. I just have to get started on my own tax. So yeah, I don't really have much for
Yeah,
now.
no problem. But you get the idea of how um, the thing will look, not like a simple idea of how we'll be able to see live websites
Yeah.
on our front end. Yeah.
Yeah, I get the
So
idea.
that is what we're trying
It's
to work on.
yeah.
So the work starts officially this week, from this week starts. So you'll see it is still basic stuff, but we'll be going step by step, no rushing, just like that. So thank you for joining us today. Next time I will send reminder a day before when we have completed on the time. So thank you for joining. I think you guys really have something, so we can just call it a day from here. Thank you for joining.
All right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good day.
Thank you, everybody.